Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Our focus today is to shift from pooled OLS and perform fixed and random effect models. What are these things? Why do you need it? I hope you will be able to explore it on your own. We are not going to go into that, and I'm not going to give you any lecture here. I just want to show you how you can perform fixed and random effects over here. So to perform a fixed and random effect with any panel data, what you need to do first, you need to first set up the structure, the environment. And you can do that by simply writing xtset in the command line. And you need to now specify what is the environment that the Stata needs to check. So two things you need to specify. One is the ID. We have number over here and the year. So Stata will check the current data structure in your uh, imported data file and will determine what type of panel it is. There are normally two types, balanced and unbalanced. So we will just simply run it and Stata will tell me that based on the environment that I proposed, my panel variable number is unbalanced and the time variable year, it focused from 2010 until 2024. So we are working with an unbalanced panel data. It indicates that not all of the firms have the same observation for the period that we covered between 2010 and 2024. So now once we have set up the panel environment, now we can go straight into running the fixed effect models. So to start with the fixed effect model, we just need to write xtreg. Then we specify what are my dependent. We put winsorized ROA, then we will bring all of our independent and control. And then after you have brought the dependent and independent and controls, you can put FE, that is short for fixed effect. We are going to run and it will tell you that you have run fixed effect within regression. There are no group variable. You have 300 observation, 20 groups. These are the R square. We are going to take the one that in between to actually explore what percentage of our variables are explaining the dependent variable. You can see the p-value is saying our regression model is significant and valid statistically. And over here you can see the independent variable here is showing me that it is significant at 1% level. And also among the controls, we have the age, which is significant. Now, we can also do this fixed effect with normal pool OLS. We can run it, and that is where you remember we have done encoding that will come into effect in here. So let's see, let's try. We will just write reg instead of xtreg, reg, and we will bring the same information over here. However, instead of a fixed effect, what we will do, we will control for the companies that we have in our data structure. So to do that, we will need I dot, and this time you remember we have two variables over here, company and n-company. So company is the string variable, n-company is what we have done through encoding. We have encoded a variable company to numeric company. So we will bring this one in front of I, and this is called company fixed effect, where the variation of each company is going to be absorbed to find more robust analysis of the impact between the independent and control on the dependent. So if I run this model now, and this is the result, if we just concentrate on this portion and this portion, you will see they are almost identical. They're almost identical. So they are actually telling you the same thing. Whatever you have done in fixed effect model, using xtreg command, you will get the same result if you use the reg command. So this is where you are actually controlling for the entity fixed effect, or we can say company fixed effect in your regression model. But sometimes you may be asked to control for both entity and year fixed effect. To do that, you can uh, run this command if you want, xtreg, and here you will put I dot year. We need to specify that if you put fe, it is going to control for the entity itself. If you want year and entities, then you need to specify in the command i.year, and if we run, you see it has run, it has control for the years, and you have the regression score. It has not changed that much, maybe in the r square, maybe in the f values, the coefficients slightly different, yeah, slightly different, but here you go, you have control for year and company. If you want to do this with ROA, you just need to specify I dot year, and you are going to get the same results. If in some papers you will see they are also controlling for the country fixed effect. If you want to do that, just need to add on one more I dot country, and it says that you see the error. It means that I by mistake put the string variable, so I need to use this one, the n country. That Stata is so good. They will tell you what is wrong with your approach. And here you go. We have all the information over here using, this is my regression, or using the pooled OLS command, and using year, company, and country fixed effects. Now we have done the fixed effect. What about random effect? So to do the random effect, we have to go back to the original command where you have xtreg. Then instead of fe, you need to write re. And here you go. You have the random effect model. You have all the necessary statistics are over here. You have the coefficient. The question might come that, okay, you have fixed effect, you have random effect. Now, which model is good or actually valid in explaining the impact of independent on dependent? So the answer is you have to run a Hausman test to really confirm whether to use the random or fixed effect model to go for your uh, conclusion. Now, how to run a Hausman test? What you have to do once you have run random effect, you have to write Hausman store random. Let me just bring, oh, sorry, not Hausman. Uh, so what you need to do, you have to bring this command estimate store random. Then you have to go back, run the fixed effect, and write estimate store. And once you are done, then you are going to bring this command Hausman fixed random. Hopefully it will run. Yeah, it is. Over here, you can see, based on the Hausman model, if the probability is above, or let me rephrase it, if the probability is below 0.5, then you will go for fixed effect. If the probability is above 0.5, that means you accept the null, and then you will go for random effect. Hopefully this video was useful, and I hope you will leave some comment and watch the new future videos. You have a wonderful day. Bye.